Top news headlines. 4,732 people died in Northeast in traffic accidents in 2019, says NCRB. Death toll from gas explosion in Bangladesh mosque rises to 21. And India's total COVID cases goes past 40 lakh with over 86,000 fresh cases. A very good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI giving you the latest news updates. A total of 4,732 people have died in the Northeast in 10,709 traffic accidents that took place in 2019, said a National Crime Records Bureau statistic. The highest traffic accidents took place in Assam, 8,651, followed by Tripura, 687, and Manipur, 672. As per media reports, the NCRB report said Assam with 3,843 deaths is leading the list of states in Northeast with the maximum casualty. Tripura with 271 comes second and Meghalaya with 176 comes third in the list. The traffic accidents that have been compiled by NCRB include road accident, railway accident, and accidents in railway crossing. The NCRB, however, said the number of traffic accidents in the country has decreased from 4,74,638 in 2018 to 4,67,171 in 2019. The rate of death in road accidents per 1,000 vehicles, that is 0.6, has remained the same as it was in 2018. At least 21 people were confirmed dead as a result of a gas explosion in the Baitar Salah RIAMEI mosque located in the Narayanganj city of Bangladesh. Dozens of injured worshippers are still receiving medical treatment, the Dhaka Tribune newspaper reported. According to reports, the explosion occurred on the evening of Friday as people gathered in the mosque for the evening prayer. According to preliminary data from Narayanganj Fire Service Deputy Assistant Director Abdullah Al-Arafin, gas leaked out from underground pipes and accumulated inside the mosque and then detonated due to sparks when someone tried to switch one of the 6 air conditioners or fans on or off. There was a 7-year-old child among the deceased, according to the report. More than 15 people are reportedly still being treated from burns and other injuries at the Sheikh Hasina National Institute of Burn and Plastic Surgery in Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. All of them are in critical condition. Partha Shankar Pol, a resident doctor at the institute, was cited in the report as saying, "The local fire department and police have launched an investigation into the incident." India's total coronavirus cases have gone past 40 lakh with a record rise of over 86,000 cases yesterday. India has become the 3rd country in the world to surpass that mark, following the United States and Brazil. The jump to more than 40 lakh cases comes only 13 days after India reached 30 lakh. The virus has killed nearly 8,70,000 people worldwide. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization or WHO has said that it does not expect global immunization or a vaccine to be out till mid-2021, even as US expects it out in a few weeks, while Russia has already launched one. Meanwhile, COVID-19 cases across the world have gone up to 2.7 crore, with the most cases coming from the United States, followed by Brazil and India. According to Johns Hopkins University tally, total COVID-19 patients in the USA is 62,43,849, followed by Brazil 40,92,832, while India ranked 3rd in the global tally with more than 4 million mark. As per a media report, the global death toll from the infection has gone up to 8,83,742. The number of people recovered from COVID-19 now reach 1.9 crore worldwide. Manipur has so far registered 6,883 coronavirus cases till now with 36 fatalities. The government COVID-19 control room said Manipur's recovery rate is now 72.27%. It said the number of active cases in the state now stands at 1,872, while 4,975 have been discharged or recovered. 160 persons, 114 males and 46 females from general population and 24 personnel from Central Armed Police Force CAPF were found to be COVID-19 positive in Manipur in the last 24 hours. The infected persons have been shifted to different COVID care facilities. A 65-year-old man, a COVID-19 patient from Thoubal district who had comorbid conditions, died of the disease at Jenims yesterday, taking the death toll to 36. Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates. Welcome back. Manipur Students Association Delhi MSAD has urged the Manipur government to give befitting punishment to all culprits in the recent gang rape and murder case of Washila, a 14-year-old girl from Mayang, Imphal. MSAD General Secretary Singhajit also demanded compensation for the victim's family. MSAD Academic and Magazine Secretary Laima Pokpam Chanu Lanchenba expressed grave concern over the increasing rate of crime against women in Manipur society and lamented over failure of the authorities to award stringent punishment to rapists. MSAD Cultural Secretary Somenanda Khangchurakpam also demanded prompt justice for the victim and her family.
Rape case talk pa khudingi rape case labor khudingi monetary compensation na losin khibagi wafam asisu JSC sing CS sing na so asigumba thong thabak asi tawbiganu moral gi matung ina chap chaba sairak adu thodok asiga asida chenari ba mio sing adu phanghansi asigumba thodok asi hoglakli wana harol sing so amuk hanna hanjinna taw danaba mawongda ahak pa sairak adu pi je ba wafam sin
Asigumba phibam asina asum chathaduna lairagadi aikhoigi tung aikhoigi angang singi punsi ahungba achumba ama oirakani haiba thazade pumnamak asidagi kalhangnabagi damak maral lairaba wakhalon chumdraba lamchat kamliba miyoi sing ase maru phukna muthatsi.
All Assam Manipuri Muslim Students Union AMSU yesterday organized a postcard campaign on Manipuri language at Meitei Pangal populated villages of Poilapol, Sapormaina and other places under Lakhipur in Assam. AMSU President Sahit, Chief Convener Jiol Hazari, General Secretary Hassan Chowdhury and others took part in the campaign. Manipuris in Assam have demanded inclusion of Manipuri language among official languages of Assam. Civil society groups have launched a sustained campaign to push for the demand in Assam. An earthquake with a magnitude of 4.3 on the Richter scale hit Nicobar Island today at 6:38 a.m. as per the National Center for Seismology. According to a media report, the Seismology Department added that the depth of the earthquake was 82 km. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are categorized in Zone V as they are seismically the most active region. Harauro Tangkham Gram Panchayat Pradhan Laisangthem Kulachandra and Kundrakpam Jila Parishad Thangzam Angobi today jointly inspected the progress of MGNREGA 2019-20 works in the Panchayat area. They inspected an 800-meter-long drainage construction at Jingku Mayai Lekai. Pradhan Laisangthem Kulachandra assured that he will ensure the people of the Panchayat get all the benefits of government-sponsored schemes. A microphone and loudspeaker set was donated to Saiton area COVID-19 task force team formed by people from different communities in Saiton. According to our Bishnupur district correspondent, the item was handed over to the task force during a simple function this morning. BJP Manipur Pradesh active member S. Premchandra, BJP Bishnupur District Committee President R.K. Bimola, Secretaries H. Iboyaima and K.H. Susila, BJP Kumbi Mandal President S. Angausana, Secretary Muhammad Azad Pradhan of Saiton, Gram Panchayat M. Ibomcha and Vice Chairperson of Kumbi Municipal Council L. Babita attended the program. Former Manipur BJP Unit Vice President Thokchom Jadumani donated money and dustbins to Khangabok Leipat Lekha yesterday. The donation came at the end of a 3-day-long social service camp organized by Leipat Citizen Club, Khangabok. People of the area expressed gratitude to Jadumani for his generous support. Huidrom Apokpa Thogal Luf felicitated the HSLC examination 2020 second position holder Huidrom Rohit from Ishok Awang Lekai during a simple function at Huidrom Apokpa Community Hall. Cash reward and citation were presented to H. Rohit at the function. Level Inspector Government of Manipur H. Biren also donated cash to Rohit. Speaking at the function, Biren said that such praiseworthy student has brought laurel to Ishok village. Again, we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. 4 persons were arrested by the security forces in Nagaland for smuggling opium seeds worth Rs 1.44 crore. A senior official yesterday informed that the persons were arrested after the forces were informed about their movement with the seized opium seeds. According to media reports, a team of Assam Rifles, based on specific inputs, impounded 2 trucks carrying 120 bags of Vietnamese poppy near Pifema on National Highway 29. The arrested persons and the seized contraband were handed over to Custom Preventive Division officials. Amid the rising COVID-19 cases in Tripura, a central team would soon visit the state to study the situation and suggest the state government to curb the spread of COVID-19. Speaking to the media last night in Agartala, Tripura Law and Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath said a central team comprising 3 to 4 experts from the Union Health Ministry would soon visit the state. A media report said the team will examine the COVID-19 related situation and suggest the government means to curb the spread of the virus, he added. Nath further informed that in terms of positivity, recovery and mortality rates and tests per million, Tripura has in the better position from many states in India. Assam ranked 20th under the State Reform Action Plan 2019 declared by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in New Delhi on Saturday. According to media reports, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Telangana rank 1st, 2nd and 3rd respectively at the All India level state ranking, which aims to help attract investments, foster healthy competition and increase ease of doing business in each state. Ranking of states based on the implementation of Business Reform Action Plan started in 2015. Mizoram ranked 25th, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura ranked 29th position among 36 states and union territories. Interestingly, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh improved to its current rank from 38th and 34th respectively in 2018. Till date, state rankings have been released for the years 2015, 2016 and 2017 and 18. The Business Reform Action Plan 2018-19 includes 180 reform points covering 12 business regulatory areas such as access to information, single window system, lever, environment, etc. A local court in Gujarat yesterday directed that the name of Prime Minister Narendra Modi be deleted from a civil suit seeking damages for the gruesome killing of 4 British citizens during the 2002 riots. As per media reports, 4 British nationals were killed in a rioting incident in Sabarkantha district of North Gujarat during the communal riots in 2002. The local court in its order held that there was no substantive material to link the defendant Narendra Modi in his personal or official capacity with the incident and termed the allegations made in the civil suit as vague and general in nature. Principal Senior Civil Judge in Prantij Town Court Suraj Gadhavi pronounced the order directing removal of the name of Narendra Modi, who was the then Chief Minister of the state, along with former IPS officer K. Chakravarti, Amitabh Pathak and Ashok Narayan, whose names also were mentioned as defendants in the civil suit filed by the relatives of the deceased, the report informed. Once again, the top news headlines. (4,732 people died in northeastern traffic accidents in 2019, says NCRB. Death toll from gas explosion in Bangladesh mosque rises to 21. And India's total COVID cases goes past 40 lakh with over 86,000 fresh cases. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Good day ahead.